In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect EdgeDB to Vercel. We'll walk through the setup process from inside Vercel so you can link your project and get the integration ready with the correct environment configuration. This is a pretty straightforward workflow, but it helps to move carefully so everything is connected to the right project from the start. First, head over to Vercel and make sure you're signed into the account where your project is hosted. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where Vercel lets you connect external services, tools, and platforms directly to your projects. After opening integrations, click on Browse Marketplace. The marketplace is where you can discover and install supported integrations for databases, monitoring tools, authentication providers, and more. In this case, we're looking specifically for EdgeDB. Once you're in the marketplace, search for EdgeDB if it's available there. Using the search makes it much faster to find the correct integration, especially if you have a long list of options showing on screen. When you find EdgeDB, open it so you can begin the connection process. Next, select your Vercel account and link the integration to the specific Vercel project you want to use. This part is important because many users have multiple teams or projects inside Vercel. Make sure you choose the correct destination so the integration applies to the app you actually want to deploy with EdgeDB. After that, you'll be prompted to authenticate with EdgeDB Cloud or create an account if you don't already have one. This step allows Vercel and EdgeDB to communicate securely. As you go through the sign-in or account creation flow, just follow the on-screen prompts and approve the connection when asked. Once authentication is complete, the final step is to configure your environment variables. This is what allows your Vercel project to access the EdgeDB connection details it needs during deployment and runtime. Take a moment here to review the variable names, where they're being applied, and whether they're set for the correct environments such as production, preview, or development. And that's it. After the environment variables are configured, your Vercel project should be connected to EdgeDB and ready for the next stage of setup or deployment. If anything doesn't seem to work right away, double check that you linked the correct project and completed the authentication step successfully.